So for today's video nga pala, maulan ngayon guys. So yan, pating tong order namin na Graphene Seal. Hindi ito sponsor pero maganda daw to, sabi nila. So tara, subukan natin dito guys, tara. So applyan muna natin ito. Spray natin to guys. So yan, habang nag-spray tayo dyan, yan boy. Kung bago ka lang din dito, syempre follow mo na ako. Then yan, syempre para makita rin natin yung outcome nito. Patapusin mo tong video ko, syempre yan, napakasipag natin maglinis kayong boy. Kasi syempre, di ba, hindi tayo makalabas. Kaya ito na lang magagawa natin ngayong tag-ulan. Kaya maglinis na lang tayo, syempre. So dahil parang mabagal ako dito, syempre papas forward na lang natin para napakabilis, para hindi naman kayo mainip dyan. Then kung napapanood mo to, comment mo naman kung taga saan ka para alam ko kung saan umabot tong video na to boy. So ayan, linis na.
So yun guys, after natin na-applyan na, nakita nyo naman na-applyan natin ng Graphene Seal to, walang kadaya-daya. So yun, after doon, pinunasan natin ng micro towel guys, microfiber towel. So after nun, ito kumitab naman, so bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng montage boy. So in 3, 2, 1, montage tayo boy. Shish!
Moving on, move out the way, gotta get him going. Body slim thick, can't put it on. It's sure lost, still putting on. Still putting on for the things that you didn't. Still making moves, know you wish you could diss me. Still blow a bag, go and cop me a Bentley. Know you regretting the way that you did me. Life is so sweet though, life is like candy. He wanna grab me, but he can't have me. I'm in your city though, don't want you back. I'm making you stand on that, it's cool how you gave it up. He do it big, I do it bigger. Slide in the lamb just to make him sicker. Don't want no goofy, I'm out the picture. The truth hurts before it heals, my love.
So paano ba yan guys? Hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Umuulan, di pa tayo makalabas, kaya naglinis lang tayo ng motor. So Team Moro Vlog, I'm out guys. See you next vlog. Bye bye. Sheesh.